So guys, hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel. So today we are going to unbox our two moss sticks which I have ordered online for. So guys, here is the moss sticks as you can see, and its packing is okay, and I have ordered it from the Flipkart and it cost rupees 178.
Don't think that is what I would usually do. It's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna f this whole thing up like I do it.
2,000 years later.
So finally guys, we have unpacked this, and this is how it looks, and it is moss, or you can say golden cypress leaves inside it, and the stick is very thick and strong. So guys, the moss is tied to the stick by using a metal wire and net.
You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would you. But don't think that is what I would usually do. It's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against my.
So guys, these are the two moss sticks which I have ordered for this money plant, which I have transferred to the soil as you have already seen in my short videos, and I have used a single normal stick to support it, and now I am going to place the moss sticks in this pot. So guys, I have removed the stick, and this is our money plant, and we are going to place the moss sticks here.
Now I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think